everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing step-by-step process of how I painted this playing card, and if you're interested to know how to paint or draw this card, then please keep on watching. So firstly, all the materials that I've used in this painting are listed down in the description box below, so if you want to create such painting you can check it out. And the first step is to lightly draw the sketch of the card on the paper, and this is the most important part because once you have the accurate sketch, only thing you have to do is fill out the colors, and it'll be just like filling out in any coloring book. So just try to draw as accurately as possible. Now you can use actual card next to your drawing and try and look closely and do it. Now I was not able to find the playing cards at all, so what I was doing, I was looking online and I was trying to take the measurements through the screen and was trying to match in my drawing, so it was a little bit difficult. So I would suggest that use an actual card and it'll help you out a lot. So once you have all the things laid out properly on paper, the next step is to just fill out the colors. If you look at any playing card closely, you'll see that the colors are very basic. It just uses very minimal primary shades. So the coloring part is actually not that difficult. You don't have to mix anything, you don't have to create any new shade. You just have to use the primary set of colors, that is yellow, blue, black, white and red. So that's pretty simple. So that's why I'm emphasizing that the drawing is actually the most important part in such paintings because the coloring is very minimal, like it's very simple. Once you have all the colors laid out, the next important part is to look at all these small details and try to fill out as close to the real card as possible. And these details are very important because that's how the whole painting or the sketch will start coming like together. So for this I am actually using 0.1 and 0.5 mm microns, and if you have any fine liners you can use that and it'll make your life easier instead of using the actual paint and brush. After that I'm using some pencil colors to give it more dimension, and I'm using lemon yellow to give a bit of shading, and then I'm using grey to create sort of shadows, to create some depth. And you'll notice that it'll make a lot of difference. It'll make the painting come to life. And just because it's a Valentine's Day special, I'm also adding a quote at the bottom which says, "You are the king of my heart," and this is totally optional. And for this I'm using actually 0.3 micron again, and you can use markers or fine liners or any pen you have and create a calligraphy of your own. So this was the complete tutorial and I hope you liked it, and if you did then please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and do share your thoughts and let me know what you want to see in the next video, and I'll be happy to create one for you. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.